Let's learn A to Z. A to Z, bluebirds. A for albatross, that's albatross, B for bluejay, that's bluejay, C for cardinal, that's cardinal, D for dove, that's dove, E for eagle, that's eagle, A, F for finch, that's finch, G for goose, that's goose, H for hummingbird, that's hummingbird, I for ibis, that's ibis, I. J for jay, that's jay, ya. K for kingfisher, that's kingfisher, L for lark, that's lark, la. M for macaw, that's macaw, N for nightingale, that's nightingale, na. O for owl, that's owl, o. P for parrot, pa. Q for quail, that's quail, R for robin, that's robin, ra. S for swan, that's swan, sa. T for tucan, that's toucan, da. U for umbrellabird, that's umbrellabird, ooh. V for vulture, that's vulture, ba. U for woodpecker, that's woodpecker, wah. X for Xenops, that's Xenops, ha. Y for Yellowhammer, that's Yellowhammer, ya. Z for Zebrafinch, that's Zebrafinch.